Today, we will talk about how to make a scarecrow. Let's have a look at the details. Scarecrows were a familiar sight in farming areas of years gone by, but now they are coming back as a Halloween and fall-themed decoration. With a few old clothes and some straw, you can easily build your own scarecrow. Stick it in your garden or position it on your front porch when you're finished. Whether you use it to scare birds or just as decoration, your scarecrow will be sure to attract attention. The first step is making the body. Build the frame. Begin by centering a 5 feet stick near the top of a 6 to 8 feet stick, rake handle or garden pole. This creates the shoulders of the scarecrow. Fasten the shorter stick in place using a screwdriver and screw, some twine, or hot glue. Put the shirt on. Dress your scarecrow with an old plaid shirt, using the horizontal stick for his arms. Button the shirt up the front, then tie the arm ends and bottom of the shirt using twine or wire. Stuff the shirt. Strategically stuff the shirt to fill out your scarecrow. Straw, hay, leaves, grass clippings, wood chips and rags are all acceptable stuffing materials. Put the overalls on. Make a hole in the seat of the overalls for the vertical stick to pass through. Put the overalls on the scarecrow, placing the straps on the shoulders. Give him hands. You can use old work gloves or gardening gloves. Give him feet. Stick the cuffs of the pants into the tops of some old work boots or other shoes. Secure using either string sewn into each component or hot melt glue. The second step is making the head. Using burlap. A burlap sack, used to protect trees or carry potatoes and coffee beans, is perfect for making a scarecrow head. Using a pumpkin. Use a jack-o'-lantern to make a seasonal scarecrow head. First, choose a nice, round pumpkin. Cut a large, round hole on the top of the pumpkin around the stem and scoop out the insides. Use a sharp knife to cut out the facial features of your scarecrow. Using a pillowcase. A pillowcase is another option for making a scarecrow head and is something which you are likely to have around the house. Using other household items. There are any number of possibilities when it comes to making your scarecrow's head. If you're trying to keep the cost of building your scarecrow down to a minimum, just use whatever items you have lying around. And the third step is finishing touches. Give your scarecrow facial features. You can give your scarecrow facial features using an endless array of materials. Decide whether you want him to look smiling and happy or grumpy and menacing. Give your scarecrow some hair. Glue some straw to your scarecrow's head to give the effect of hair. Accessorize. You can personalize your scarecrow by accessorizing it any way you like. His most important accessory, however, is a straw hat. Use any old hat you have lying around and secure to his head with hot glue. Tie a red bandana around his collar, or leave a bright handkerchief peeking out of his pocket. Jazz up his hat using some brightly colored plastic flowers. Stick an old pipe in his mouth. Tie reflective or shiny ribbon to your scarecrow to add movement and reflect light. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.